Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to audit S3 bucket encryption using Python. Heads up, you'll need to have installed Python and also installed and configured the AWS CLI. I'll link to videos of how to do that in the description below. All right, let's walk through it. First, you'll need to open up the command prompt. You can do so by hitting the Windows and typing CMD, but go into the command prompt and then type pip install bot03. This will install the AWS Python library that you'll need for the Python script. All right, so once that's done, go ahead and open Notepad++ or whatever IDE you use. And then this is the script we'll use, and I'll link to, or I'll provide a copy paste basically for you to use below. So we're importing the bot03, as I said, and then we are going to do the S3 list buckets command to get all buckets. And then we're going to loop through each bucket and get the encryption settings. And once we've gotten the encryption settings, we'll get the rules, and then we'll print the bucket name and the rules. One thing to note is that if a bucket does not have S3 encryption enabled, this command right here, or this function, is going to fail or have an exception. And then it'll go down to the except down here, and then it'll look at that response is the server-side not found or the server-side encryption configuration not found error. If that is not, if that's the error, then you know that that bucket is not encrypted, and therefore you probably need to go ahead and encrypt that. So this is the S3 encryption Py script. I'll show you how to run this now. So I save this as S3 underscore encryption. I'm going to copy and paste the location there. I'm going to go back to my command prompt. I'm going to type cd and copy and paste that here. Then it's going to go to that directory. Then I'm going to type Python S3 underscore encryption, and I just hit the tab button to get that to pop in right away. I'm going to run that command, and what that's going to do is it shows that I have a bucket here that's not encrypted, a couple buckets that aren't encrypted. It finally found one that did have encryption, so it looks at the rules. Let me expand this a little bit here, and you can see that that one has encryption enabled through AES 256, but it does not have a bucket key, and then another not encrypted one. So clearly I have some work to do to go encrypt these S3 buckets, but I'll go do that after this video. All right, that's it for this tutorial. I've showed you how to loop through all buckets and get the encryption settings using Python. If it solved your problem, please let me know by commenting and liking this video. If you want to support the channel and let me know that you're getting some value, please subscribe. All right, thanks all. Happy auditing.